What? Can I peel it?
Why not I peel it?
Can I do it?
No, have it.
I know you have it. Can I do it?
No, have it.
You have it? Okay. You're doing a good job. Bella, what are you eating?
Nana.
Nana. Very good.
Nana.
What?
Nana.
Skin, Nana? You can't eat the skin, right? No.
Nana.
Your skin is cocky.
I get that.
Your skin is cocky. Ew. Say ew.
Ew,
Say ew, cocky.
ew, cookie.
Bella, where's Daddy?
And here.
Where's Daddy?
Uh-huh.
He's working. Say working.
Okay.
Where's Storm?
Home. Uh-huh.
She's home?
Uh-huh.
Where are you?
Uh-huh.
You're home too. Where's Mommy?
Uh-huh.
Home too? Where's Grandma and Grandpa?
And here. Uh-huh.
Where are they though?
Uh-huh.
Home where?
Bye-bye.
They're downstairs, say.
My cheese.
What?
Cheese.
Jeez.
A cookie.
Cocky.
Cookie bin.
Yeah?
Cookie bin.
Cocky skin. Now eat the banana. Oh! What happened?
Nana broke.
Nana broke? Aw. It's okay. Now you have two. Now you have two bananas. Is it good?
It broke.
It's okay. It's okay if it broke. It's gonna break in your tummy anyway. Can Mommy have some, Nana? Like a